All right, everyone, a quick update on BONK here. So it seems like it's been forever since we covered some of these, especially BONK here. I was surprised when I got on the chart to see it still holding up over our green support line here at 16. Our pattern potentially is still holding up here. So as long as we don't break this previous low back here and we're holding the structure of the price action here, I won't be bearish on BONK. The only one concerning thing, which I have pointed out in the past, of course, is the high here, lower high, lower high. So ideally, holding up here in this very large weekly ascending triangle pattern, what I want to see BONK do is I want to see BONK not continue this structure, but once it starts to move back up to the top here of our red resistance box, I want it to come up in this box and potentially break that previous high, so we don't make a lower high. Say we come up only to here, then off of these lower highs and that structure, even though we want to be bullish in this pattern, that could kind of tell us that the price may end up breaking to the downside in this pattern here. So in a perfect world, this is what I would like to see, where it comes up. If it's not going to blow out of here, which I don't think it will anytime soon, I want it to break the lower high structure here and make a higher high and then come back down. And as we know, it came down further than we thought, and the pattern here may end up playing out, not going up until, as you can see, the apex of this pattern takes you into potentially late April of next year, if it's going to squeeze every last little drop out of this pattern here. But we're just going to keep it that simple. As long as we're holding over this 16 level, the next stop to get back over is 20. And then of course 25, which we do have a green candle spawning in here, up almost 12% on the week. And we'll just simply measure this. That's about a 17% move to your first resistance at 20. And then we have 25 here for about a 44% move, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. But as long as we're holding in the pattern with the higher lows, with this structure here at the bottom and this general area up here at the top in the red that the price is getting stuck at, we're going to be macro bullish on BONK here to push up at some point, like I said, in the future, maybe next spring, late spring, sometime then. So of course, comment down below, what are your thoughts on BONK at this point? Do you think this pattern, which is very large by the way, is going to play out, or are you more bearish on BONK here for a breakdown soon? Now, with all that being said, how high can we go out of this pattern? We do have the first target here, a $6.9 billion market cap. That is the measured move from this pattern here. That is actually going to take you up and take away 10 on the price, up to 3010, to that almost 7 billion market cap, and about a 5x from where we are today out of this pattern here. And then of course, after we break over the 1618 at 40 here, the next potential target on the fibs, of course, would take you all the way up here to the 2272 at 3036, a $24 billion market cap, and about a 21x from today on BONK. So comment down below, what are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.